He
still in
didn't
the
know
box.
that you guys got bunnies.
Bless you.
Yay! What has she got?
Come on, let's go look
I don't
some
know.
more. Let's go in here.
You didn't count?
Blake, come here.
Hang on, she got done in the kitchen.
You gotta look on the floor. Look on the floor.
She doesn't know.
You saw it. Come here.
Blake, look. What's over there?
Here.
That what you gotta be able to get that.
Go get him. Go get him. Go find him.
Blake. Oh my, Blake. Look.
Uh-oh. Oh, she missed her.
There you go.
Hey, look on the floor.
Keep
Look on the
looking on the
floor.
floor.
Oh.
She's trying to get excited.
All right, look over there.
Oh, will you guys let her walk around? Yeah.
Well, I don't
Keep
know.
looking. Look on the floor.
Whoa.
How do you put it in there? Now she's gonna go to the dog food and get some.
Put it in your basket. Good
so good.
job.
Ooh, look at all your eggs.
I don't know how many more left. Do you?
2, I think.
Well, I should think I'm pretty busy.
Hey, Blake, come in here.
Find all your.
Let's